Hello everyone, welcome to Quiz Time 46. In this video we are going to learn about Tamil Nadu State General Knowledge 2026. How many seats are there in the Tamil Nadu Legislative Assembly? Answer is 234. Which party is leading the government in Tamil Nadu before the 2026 Assembly election? Answer is DMK. Who is the Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu, as of 2025-26? Answer is M.K. Stalin. The DMK-led alliance in Tamil Nadu is called? Answer is Secular Progressive Alliance, SPA. Which party is led by actor Vijay? Answer is TVK. TVK stands for? Answer is Tamilaga Vethri Kalagam. Who is the main leader of AIADMK in the 2026 elections? Answer is Edapadi K. Palaniswamy. Nam Tamilar Kachi, NTK, is led by? Answer is Seaman. Which national party is part of the DMK-led alliance in Tamil Nadu? Answer is Congress. Tamil Nadu Assembly elections are held every years. Answer is 5 years. Which alliance does AIADMK belong to in 2026? Answer is NDA. Which party focuses strongly on Tamil identity and language politics? Answer is NTK. Who is the founder of DMK? Answer is CN Annadurai. Which party symbol belongs to AIADMK? Answer is 2 leaves. Rising sun is the symbol of which party? Answer is DMK. Which commission conducts Tamil Nadu Assembly elections? Answer is Election Commission of India. Which region has the highest number of assembly constituencies in Tamil Nadu? Answer is Western Tamil Nadu. Who represents the Dravidian ideology most strongly? Answer is DMK. Which party is considered a new major entrant in TNPSC before 2026? Answer is TVK. Minimum age to contest Tamil Nadu Assembly elections is? Answer is 25. Thanks for watching. Like, share, comment,